you're very welcome along to our next instalment of our Keep It Simple series all about property. Now, I get asked this question quite a lot. Somebody's, okay, they're saying, I want to buy a property, but I don't know whether to invest in residential or commercial. So there are a number of factors that you need to look at beforehand. Firstly, your financial goal and strategy, your tolerance to risk, and very importantly, the market trends, what capital you have available, and also if you've time to manage your property. So looking at your financials, commercial property tends to have higher yields, normally around 5 to 10%, whereas it will be lower with residential, usually around 3 to 6. With your risk tolerance, commercial property may be more suited to, let's say, investors who are comfortable with risk, there's a higher volatility, there might be more void periods. But however, on the flip side, leases are normally up to about 5 to 20 years, giving more consistent cash flow. Whereas residential, I won't say risk adverse, but residential will be more suited to investors who want more stability, particularly with the buyer as well. They may have a few properties so that they can spread that risk. And then look at your market trends. With commercial property, demand can shift, as we know, due to trends, for instance, with remote working, which is quite prevalent at the moment in this current climate. And also, there may be a decline in retail. Again, there's a number of restaurants around the country that are closing. Much more of a steady trend, really, with residential. Certainly, again, in this current climate, in this current market, we can see where there's an incredible, there's an increasing population and an acute housing shortage. Also, a number of landlords leaving the market due to the RPZ rent restrictions. And then looking at your capital availability, commercial properties tend to require a more upfront capital investment, but they will deliver higher returns, whereas residential allows for smaller, diversified investments, and banks tend to offer more favourable mortgages for residential. And then your time management. With commercial property, there's usually less hands-on management involved, like businesses, office space, retail units, they tend to self-manage their premises, so there's very little hands-on, if you like, for the landlord requirement. But residential, you will most definitely need to manage your property. You'll be liaising with tenants, you'll be looking after the maintenance of the property, and also that can be quite labour intensive. So both options offer different opportunities depending on your strategy and the points I've just outlined above. So for further information, you should consult your professional. So if you a like, share or comment would be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching.